is now better known as the mother, the dear mother, the beloved mother who produced for us our current Inspector General of Police, Mr. Christian Tetteh Yohuno. On behalf of the head of family and the whole allied family system, I say you're all welcome. We're glad to have your presence here. And ahead of time, the family is eternally grateful to all of you for the immense show of love. Very shortly, we shall commence with the pre-burial service, and after that, we will hand over to the clergy for the main service.